Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dimas Priawan from absence number 21238 from Hospitality Management 7th semester from Satya Widya, Sekolah Tinggi Persada Satya Widya Surabaya. On this moment I want to share about the program, a 10-work program for environment friendly green hotel. This assignment from Dr. Muhammad Soleh. From the background, Indonesia as one of tourist destination in full swing applying the concept of sustainable tourism development. One of the concepts of sustainable tourism development that has begun to be applied is green hotels. Many hotels in Indonesia have implemented the green hotel concept. This can be seen from the number of hotels participating in green hotels awarded by Indonesia's Ministry of Tourism, which has increased every time. The purpose of this award is to improve awareness in environmental awareness amid the climate of global warming for the hotel industries, increasing the competitiveness of the hotel industry to increase the number of guests as well as improve the quality of the entire service hotel in Indonesia. Therefore, currently, green hotels seem to be a trend latest to attracting tourists. This program proposed in objectives is to aim. This program is that tourism business, especially hospitality, can be profitable sector economically, but also have a positive effect on environment. For the programs, I have 10 programs. Number 1, safe water signage and stickers. Population growth and climate change are making water scarcity a growing global concern. Hotels have both a commercial and moral interest in reducing water consumption. Water accounts for approximately 10% of utility bills in most hotels. Executing an informed water management plan to include technology upgrades and employee training can reduce hotel water usage and waste, and cut escalating water bills. Projections will cost 500,000 rupiah per sticker, and then the audience is for hotel guests and hotel employees. Time period in 1 year. Total target expense reduce is 5 until 10%. This is for the example, the picture for the stickers. It says, please use water wisely, every drop counts. This is a blue sticker will be put in the toilet, guest toilet, or the guest rooms. Number 2, turn off light signage and stickers. The cost effectiveness of when to turn off lights depends on the type of bulb and the cost of electricity. The type of light bulb you use is important for several reasons. All light bulbs have a nominal or rated operating life, which is affected by how many times they are turned on and off. The more often they are switched on off, the lower their operating life. Projection is about 500,000 rupiah per sticker. The audience is for hotel guests and hotel employees. Time period is 1 year. For the hotel target expense reduce is 8 to 12%. This is for the sample for the stickers. Help conserve energy. Turn off lights when leaving with a yellow color, so it can attract the guests or the hotel employees. And then number 3, linen and reuse program 10 card. Linen and towel reuse programs offer guests the options to reuse their linens and towels more than once. When guests participate, hotels save money and reduce water, energy, labor, detergent, and sheet or towel replacement costs. This is cost for 10,000 rupiah per 10 card. This is audience for hotel guests, and then this is reduced for period for 1 year. Hotel target expense reduced 5 to 10%. This is for the example for the 10 card. It says save our planet. Dear guests, every day million of gallons of water are used to wash towels that have been used once. You have to make the choice. A towel on the rack means I will use again, and then a towel on the floor means please replace. This is the thank you sign. Thank you for helping us conserve the earth vital resources. Number 4, say no to plastic, straw sign, and stickers. Plastic straws are one of the top 10 contributors to marine debris. Studies have shown that the average Indonesian uses 1.6 straws per day, adding up to a daily consumption of up to 500 million straws a day. This is enough to circulate the earth 2.5 times. Because when you think about this happening every day in the countries across the world, it's a terrifying thought. Once we finish consuming a beverage, the plastic straw becomes waste. It takes only 10 minutes to drink with a plastic straw, but 400 until 500 years for one to be broken down. The projections is cost 5,000 per stickers and 10 card. And then audience for hotel guests, time period is 1 year. Hotel target expense reduced to 2 until 5%. This is the sample for the stickers, which says scissor and straw, which says say no to plastic straws. Number 5, paperless registration and invoice. Going paperless is making environment fully digital. This includes taking steps starting from avoiding printing out paper whenever it's possible, to e-signing documents, and even working online from home in some cases. However, this does not mean your hotel operations must necessarily be 100% paper-free. In other words, you can always adjust the degree of your paperlessness depending on your capacities and demand. Cost, you say 10,000 per 10 card, rupiahs, and then audience for hotel guests. Time period is 1 year. Hotel target expense reduced to 10 until 15%. Number 6, paper recycle and for internal purposes. 47% of hotel waste is recycled paper. Recycling paper saves resources, and each ton of paper recycled can save 17 trees, 380 gallons of oil, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 4,000 kilowatts of energy, 7,000 gallons of water, and 60 pounds of air pollution. Saving trees also save our air. Cost will be 1,000 per page. Audience will be hotel employees. Time period is 1 year. Hotel target expense reduced will be 10 until 15%. This is for the example for the recycle. This is about to describe each paper will be saving how much you can save the environment. Number 7 will be plastic bags stickers. No plastic bag stickers. More than 500 billion plastic bags are used every year, and in many cases there's only used once before becoming landfill waste or litter. Many developed and developing countries have to adopt regulations to ban non-regardable bags or fees to reduce demand. This evaluation measures the impact of different in-hotel information campaign on the consumption of plastic bags and the sale of reusable bags in hotels across the world. The information campaign did not significantly reduce plastic bag consumption or increase the sale of the reusable bags. The low intensity of the campaign may have been a factor in this ineffectiveness. The cost will be 5,000 per sticker, and the audience should be hotel employees and hotel guests. Time period 1 year. Hotel target expense reduced 2 until 8%. The number 8 will be LED light usage. LED light just use 10% of the energy of incandescent lights and less than half the energy of today's compact fluorescent bulbs. An LED that uses 6 watts of electricity, for example, can produce the same amount of light as a 14-watt CFL bulb or a 60-watt incandescent bulb. LED lighting means sustainable lighting in so many ways. First, LED light save up to 90% energy compared to a traditional bulb with same light output. A cost will be 1,000 per paper. This is for hotel employees, especially for engineering. Time period, this is for 1 year. Hotel target expense ratios will be 15 to 25%. And for number 9, waste management program. Waste management purpose is collection and disposal of waste in the world to keep environment safe and clean. Almost 30% of waste is organic waste, composed and transformed into nutritious soil. For proper disposal of waste material, the activities required to degrade waste easily. Cost will be 1,000 per paper. This is for hotel employees, time period 1 year. Target reduced expense for 5 until 10 years. The last one, for the number 10, bottle-free and mineral water. Among the most environmentally damaging products of the web is plastic bottle. It takes a ton of space and often get intermingled with garbage during disposal. It's not difficult to move away from bottled water and toward filtered water dispensers, refillable water bottles, and water pitchers for the guests and even attendees. The cost will be 300,000 rupiah. This is for a water dispenser. This is for hotel guests. Time period for 2 years, and then target for hotel is 10 until 15%. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.